Okay, here we are at section 1.6 with the solutions to 21 through 35. So 21, 5 to the second power, 5 times 5, that's going to equal 25. 2 to the third power, that's 2 times 2 times 2, that's 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. 4 to the second power is 4 times 4, and that's going to be 16. 7 to the second power is 7 times 7, that's 49. 8 to the third power, that's 8 times 8 times 8. 8 times 8 is 64. 64 times 8, ooh, I better go down here and do something like that. 64 times 8. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 6 is 48, plus 3 is 51. So this is 512. 10 to the second power is 10 times 10, so that equals 100. 4 to the fourth, that's 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. I'm going to look at that, and 16 times 16. Let's write it like that. 16 times 16. Ooh, we didn't memorize this one. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 3 is 9. And then we have a 0 down here, and 1 times 6, and 1 times 1. So we get 256. Ooh, 3 to the fifth power. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. That equals 9 times 3 is 27, times 3 is 81. 81 times 3 comes out to be 243. 2 to the sixth power. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, so I know that this is 8, and this was 8 based on what we did up here. So that must end up being 8 times 8 is 64. 9 times 2, not 9 times 2. 9 to the second power is 9 times 9. It's 81. 10 to the fourth, that's 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. 10 times 10 is 100, times 10 is 1,000, times 10 is 10,000. 5 to the third, that's 5 times 5 times 5. 3 of them put together there. 5 times 5 is 25, times 5 is 125. 10 to the fifth. 10 times 10, it's going to be 10 of the 5 of those. 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. Well, every time we times by 10, we add another 0, so this is going to have 5 zeros in it. I like that one. Ooh, 7 times 7 times 7. It's going to be 49 times 7. I've got to do that one by hand. 7 times 9 is 63. 7 times 4 is 28, plus 6 is 34. 343. And 2 to the fifth. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 equals, well, there's 4, and there's 8. 4 times 8 gives us 32. There we go.